Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, roof rack, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.